Hi family, welcome back to today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. If today is your first time coming across my video, my name is Treasure. So guys, in today's video I want to prepare a very delicious and yummy jollof rice. So now I'll add in my vegetable oil in my pot. The pot is already on fire. I add in my vegetable oil and then I'll add my onions and then tomato paste. So this rice is 3 cups of rice, so I'm going to use 2 sachets of tomato paste. After adding, I'm going to turn it and then fry a little bit for some minutes. Yeah, after frying, and then I will add the other ingredients. So just allow to fry a little bit before you add other ingredients. Now I'm going to have added thyme. After adding thyme, I'm going to add spicy tea. After adding spicy tea, I'll add my curry powder, and then yeah, so I'm adding all. After adding all the spices, I'll add seasoning cube and then stir it. Just make sure you fry it very well so that it will not have a sour taste. Yeah, just fry the tomato very well. And this is my already pound crayfish and pepper, and I'm using smoked fish for this jollof rice. Yeah, it's going to be very delicious. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so guys, this is my seasoning cube. I add everything together and then I'll add salt, and then yeah, I'll stir it and then allow to fry very well. Make sure I fry very well before adding water. Oh yeah, so I'm adding water now. Yes, you see, look at it now. Look at how yummy to come out. Like, yeah, I'm going to add more water. I'll just make sure I add water that will help the rice to get done. Yeah, then I'll stir it and then I'll add in my rice. Yeah, I have already parboiled this rice. I parboiled and washed it very well and kept aside before frying the tomato. So I just add it and then turn it. Then I'll make sure every ingredient is perfect before I'll cover and allow to cook. Yeah, I just tested it and yeah, it's okay. Then I'll cover and allow to cook. Yeah, our rice is ready. So I used turning stick to turn it very well. Yeah, so that everything that did not mix well will mix perfectly. Yeah, so our food is ready. Get your plates, bring your plate and come and eat. Oh, bring your plate and come and get your own jollof rice. Yeah, yummy. Please don't forget to share this video, like, subscribe and comment. Bye. Mwah.